Hey guys, what's up? This is Kieran from O4 Tech, and this video I'm going to be doing a iOS 9.0 to iOS 9.3.6 jailbreak tutorial. So first of all, what you're going to need is to download an app called 3utools, which you can do by just searching 3utools into Google, and then wait for this to load a sec. And then you're going to download this one from www.3u.com. Okay, hello iTunes. So you just want to tap on that one, and then give that a second, and you just want to tap on download here. Download it, and then it will save an exe to your downloads folder or wherever your downloads are normally saved. And then, sorry about this because I just restored my iPod. And then once that's done, you just want to install it as you would with any other program. And then you just want to tap on it, you want to unlock it. This is going to be a really quick tutorial, it's actually a really quick process. So you do need to redo this every 7 days, unless you find a way to get rid of the temporary signing, because jailbreak apps only last for 7 days, is on most iOS versions except iOS 8 or earlier. So you just want to tap on Flash and JB at the top, and then you just want to tap jailbreak on the left hand side, make sure your device is unlocked, then press run jailbreak, and it will run through this. This works on all iOS 9.3.5 and earlier devices running iOS 9.0 upwards, and you may get this prompt. It doesn't actually mean it's a virus, it's because of the file type where it has the word exploit in it. Microsoft is automatically trained, as well as other virus apps, to stop you using services like this. I'll show you how to remove it on Windows Defender, and then you just want to tap on that, and just press allow on device. This was for something else where I tried to downgrade my iPod Touch, because I did a different method. So you're going to need to ignore this one, I'll remove that. And then this one, you need to tap on allow on device and then just start actions. It's because a lot of these things have certain signatures on, which apps need to use to jailbreak, downgrade devices, etc. So I told you to remove that. There we go. So that's that done. And then you need to tap on retry, and then it should run through this. Just make sure your device still stays unlocked. Anyway, so this will work on all iOS 9.0 to iOS 9.3.6 devices. It is untethered. Well, it's technically called semi-untethered because you will have to redo this every 7 days. But you don't require the PC every time you want to restart the jailbreak, which is useful. Phoenix is what the jailbreak service is called, and it's actually generally quite reliable. I've had very little issues with Phoenix. It's actually been a lot more reliable than other services I've used. Helix for iOS 10 was terrible. I've never liked Helix much, but it does its purpose. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you what's on the screen. I'm using an iPad mini first generation. How can I... There is a way I can show you the screen, real-time screen. Give that a second. Okay, so this is what's on the screen now. If your device was unlocked while you were doing this, you'll automatically be shown this, and then it will jump to this page. So you want to tap on there, and you just want to make sure it says trusted or verified here. You want to head home. And then I put it in a folder here where I've done it previously. And you just want to tap on Phoenix. And then you want to tap on Kickstart Jailbreak. And then it'll say this. So you just want to tap on Use Provided Offsets. And it'll come to this. Just let it run through this. This is just standard. Shouldn't take too long. Don't press anything when it says this the first time until the screen turns off, like mine just has. My screen has turned off, but 3utools hasn't quite caught on to that yet. It's just frozen where it hasn't disconnected. So during this, there you go, see now it's turned off. During this, it will come with a loading circle and then the Apple logo. So just give it a minute or so to turn on. It shouldn't take too long because it should just be respringing, which is like a half restart. So just going to wait for this because there's no point stopping the recordings. By the time I've stopped it, it'll turn back on. So there we go, it's back on now. So you just want to slide to unlock. Go to somewhere on your menu, there will now be an app called Cydia. You will get this message. You may also get this message while Phoenix is running. I have absolutely no idea what that is. I get this often. So you may get a message that says your storage is almost full, just press done. This may happen while Phoenix is running. Make sure you press done and not settings, and then from here you can open Cydia. And if you can open Cydia, that means everything's gone well. If not, just rerun Phoenix. And then obviously I don't think I necessarily need to run through what Cydia is, but I will very briefly. Cydia is basically just a third-party app store which allows you to install things called tweaks, which are basically apps and settings and modified files that Apple wouldn't usually let you install. Apple don't want you to jailbreak your device for several reasons, but I'm not really going to go through them too much. I don't think I have to. But most importantly of all, it voids your warranty, which means if you did try to take a jailbroken device into an Apple store to repair it, they wouldn't repair it because it's breaking the end user license agreement. So, but honestly, no one's be taking the iOS 9 device to get fixed at Apple because they just wouldn't fix it. So that's how to jailbreak iOS 9. Obviously, you will have to do this every 7 days, which is annoying, but it's also not terrible because it's quite a fast procedure to run through. And yeah, for my next video, I'll be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 6.1.6. You've been watching Kieran from O4 Tech. I just need to stop the recording, so bear with me here. There we go, thanks.